Hi guys, so in this video I will be showing how to use Gmail API with the Express Mailer Pro. So for this, first we have to log in here and then we have to go to in content type tab, and here we can add our contact details of the recipient details whom we want to send email. Our email list will be here. So we can add multiple email addresses. After adding all the details, click on yes, save it, close the file, and under subject and bodies we can add our multiple subject and bodies. We can also use tags here. So we have to close this file also, and under add sender account details, here we have to add the email address, password and from name for our Gmail API. So I have already added that. Close it, and we can add multiple accounts if we are using multiple APIs. And under add HTML files we can add our multiple HTML files here, and under Gmail API files we can add our Gmail APIs. So the format of the Gmail API should be like this only. Its name should be its email address. So you can add multiple APIs. And for the first time only, let me show you. We have to select SMTP server as Gmail API, email per API. For first time only, we have to select two only, because we are assuring that our Gmail APIs are working fine, and each Gmail API will be sending two emails only for first time only. So in this case we are sending file type as no attachment. We are not sending any attachment. API token generation we are selecting as automatic. We can also select manual. In manual you have to log in yourself, and in automatic mode it can log in automatically. And use proxy, for the first time we are not using any proxy because we are doing the setup. And speed should be 1 only. Pause between send should be 0. So after selecting all these settings, we can click on the send button or test send button depending on which sheet you are using. If you are using contact file, then you can use the send button, and if you are using test file, then you can use the test send button. And one thing to note here is, if you are using one API, so for the setup it should be sending two emails. So for that we should be adding at least two contacts. So for example, if you are using 10 API files, then for each API there should be two contacts. So in that case there should be 20 contacts added. So for one API I'm adding two contacts only, so I have given one extra also, but two are enough for setup. Now if we click on the send button, it will start working, and Chrome will open and it will automatically log into the account and approve the token because we have selected automatic mode. So it's automatically logging in. Okay, the token is approved and now it will start sending emails. You can see all the details in these logs. So it has sent two emails, one is successful and the other one is also successful. So if you have added more than one API, so this process will happen for all the accounts. And after that, we are ready to send our campaign. So now we can select email per API as many as you like, but we suggest to send 300 emails per Gmail API, and file type as anything which you want. Image PDF, we can give the file name also like offer, and we can use any tag. For example, I'm using this tag. We can use this tag anywhere, like in file name, subject, body, HTML. So these tags will work anywhere, and we can use proxy itself. For that we can click yes, and here we have to give host, port, username, password. So our mailer supports rotating residential proxies. Proxies should be SOX 5 enabled, and we can select the rotation time also. So for now I'm not using any proxy. I can click on no, and we can increase the speed of sending to up to 30 threads. So per second there will be 30 emails sending speed, and we can click on send button. So all the emails will be sent. So this is normal behavior. It's creating the files and sending it. So all the emails has been sent, and now you can see this button is enabled. Now you can again use it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can contact me.